In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved posts in the LinkedIn mobile app. If you've ever saved a post on LinkedIn to look at later, but then had trouble finding it again, don't worry. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this pretty simple once you know where to look. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access your saved posts using the mobile app. To begin, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're there, look to the top left corner of the app. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and tap on that icon. This opens the side panel, which is where LinkedIn keeps several shortcuts to important parts of your account. After the side panel opens, take a look through the options available there. One of those options will be labeled Saved Posts. Tap on Saved Posts to continue. This section is specifically designed to store the content you've chosen to save, so it's the place to go whenever you want to revisit something interesting you came across earlier. As soon as you tap it, you'll be taken to the area where your saved posts are listed. Here you'll be able to see the posts you've saved for later. You can scroll through them and open any post you want to review again. This is useful if you saved a job-related update, an article, a networking tip, or any other post you wanted to come back to when you had more time. If you don't immediately see a post you were expecting, it can help to scroll a bit more carefully, especially if you've saved a lot of content over time. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct LinkedIn account, since saved posts are tied to the account you used when saving them, and that's really all there is to it. To find saved posts in the LinkedIn mobile app, just tap your profile icon in the top left, open the side panel, select Save Posts, and you'll see everything you've saved there. Thanks for watching, and I hope this made it easier for you to find your saved content on LinkedIn quickly and confidently.